If your factory looks busy, but your shelves are empty, you're not making much. That's Russia's problem right now, especially when it comes to warplanes. Russia has long aimed to boost its air power, but a combination of international sanctions and labor shortages is making that goal harder than ever. New satellite images from Planet Labs, shared with Newsweek, reveal ongoing expansion at the Kazan aviation plant in Tatarstan, the only Russian site currently capable of replacing the 40 military aircraft reportedly destroyed or damaged in June's Operation Spiderweb drone attacks. But here's the catch. Those sanctions are biting deep. Russia is struggling to get critical components, especially high-tech parts that are now off-limits from Western suppliers. Even with the plant expanding, missing parts mean finished warplanes are few and far between. And it's not just about hardware. Russia is facing a serious shortage of skilled workers. As the war drags on, more people are needed at the front, leaving factories short-staffed. The result? Production lines are moving slower than ever, and the backlog keeps piling up. So, even with bold plans and big factories, Russia's Air Force ambitions are grounded by real-world obstacles, sanctions, labor shortages, and the simple math of supply and demand. For now, Russia's warplane woes look set to continue.